2025 GMC Sierra that a new client brought in. He's had it for 2 weeks. Seems to be a person that takes care of his cars the right way, but I unfortunately had to, once he dropped it off, point out to him that the car did not look the way most people would expect their new vehicles to look. And so I took some videos that I posted on my Instagram of the before. We then did a fairly simple correction because this is and will be a daily. It's not going to be garaged, so there's no need to go crazy with the correction. As you see, it's a 6.2 liter Carbon Pro AT4. Anyway, so after the correction, we then ceramic coated the exterior, and man, you can see this absolute beautiful gloss on this paint. As anybody knows, anybody who has detailed cars for a while, GM black is not easy to work with. But I'm happy with the results. I think the gloss factor in this car is amazing, and hopefully he'll share my sentiments and he will be happy and will recommend me to others, as he mentions that he knows people that have some very nice cars and may actually be car people as well. So we'll see. But yeah, most of my work comes from word of mouth because we do zero advertising. So it's all word of mouth or Google searches where people actually take their time and not just call around right away to see who the cheapest business is. People who take their time, look at our website, social media, those are the ones that usually call and end up coming because they like what they see. You know, just your standard truck interior, but very nice. I mean, these trucks have become like, you know, absolute luxury vehicles. He'll be picking it up today, I think, at the end of the day. Hopefully he'll be satisfied. I'm happy with the work. I mean, I'm happy with the results. The car absolutely came out very, very nice. Beautiful, beautiful gloss on it. Like I said, the correction was not to perfection. Absolutely not, because it just wouldn't make sense on a daily driver, a non-garage daily driver, to be precise. But you know, it's still beautiful, beautiful, and I hope that he'll see the difference when he picks it up between the way he dropped it off and how happy he already was with the way it looked then. I hope that he'll see the difference right away when he walks in and sees the new look, the new gloss that wasn't there before. So we'll find out.